main point now. A large number of guests are present here, especially our honorable principal Sir Mufti Kaium and his friends, and the head of some departments are present here. And our honorable co-chairman Al Imran sir is present here. Now I would like to request a student for a presentation and delivery English speech. Please come here on the stage for your delivery of speech. This speech will be delivered by Aryan Hussain and presentation will be displayed here by Imam Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The viewers and listeners, welcome to our Sabak program. My name is Muhammad Imam Hussain. I'm a student of Nuni section. Honorable Chairman, Mufti Kaium, distinguished guests, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters, I thank all of you for coming to this program. Now I'd like to request my classmate, Muhammad Aryan, to deliver his presentation on Sabak program.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are very happy to attend such an event today of our Raihan International Madrasah. We all are so grateful to Almighty Allah. We have completed the Nurani section and have passed to Najara section. Our honorable teachers have tried very hard to bring us in this stage. May Allah accept this hard work. This Sabak program is the first Sabak of the year of 2024. We all are very glad and excited today in this program. Our guardians and our parents are present here in this program. Dear guardians and parents, pray to Allah for all of us for the future betterment in our life. And also pray for our madrasah and our principal Sir Mufti Kaium, our honorable teachers. I'm finishing my speech by giving a special thanks to the respected founder and principal Sir Mufti Kaium of Arahan International Madrasah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you so much, my students. Your delivery was very good, and I pray to my Almighty Allah for our principal sir and our co-chairman sir for this betterment of a future life and for the goodness in this institution. Inshallah, we are trying. If Allah help us, will spread in all over the world quickly. Inshallah, for disaster need some efforts and our help. Our principal sir is always trying to complete the sections, and he has no gain here. All time is so busy, but he is giving the time for you, for making you, and he wanted to spread this knowledge all over the world, and he has gained. Inshallah, in near future, we will be succeed. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
আর রায়হান ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদ্রাসা একটি আন্তর্জাতিক কোরআনিক শিক্ষা মিশন।